I want to share a real transformation story from Sweden. When we arrived, the floor had a gloss reading of just 12. After applying the EZshine 4-pad method with only water, zero chemicals, the gloss level reached 89. That is not an improvement, that is a transformation. We started with a dull, damaged concrete floor that other diamond pads could not restore, step by step. First cleaning, then polishing with 4 EZshine pads, pure water only. For the final finishing step, we used a UHS burnisher machine to achieve maximum gloss. The Crystalline Diamond Matrix did what chemistry never could. Physics cannot be fooled, and the numbers prove it. From 12 to 89 gloss units. The client did not need grinding, did not need restoration, just EZshine. This is not magic, this is not a miracle, this is the unique technology of EZshine Crystalline Diamond Matrix. This is physics, and physics always defends itself.